scrambled up Rubik's Cube in.
Yep, he definitely mixed it up quite a bit. He did a lot of twisting.
So right now it is scanning it, and the arms on the side and the rotating holder underneath, all flipping it, and it's calculating what it'll do now, and now it is solving it.
That is amazing.
Most times so far, this thing has been able to solve it in under 2 minutes, but we'll see how it does this time.
Yeah, you really mixed it up quite a bit. We were talking about things before that we set the camera up, and he kept twisting and twisting and twisting and mixing. So
before this, it never wanted to work. It wanted to scan it like 3 times and want me to take
it's
the cube out.
It's almost there. Wow. That is amazing, Skylar.
Yep, and now it's all.
Dang. Well, thank you very much for showing me that.
You're welcome.
Like, comment, and subscribe. And GB Linden for Skylar, we're out.